Did you know there's a robot that can learn a new job just by watching a YouTube video? And that factories are already planning to build 10,000 of them next year? That's right. Humanoid robots aren't just coming anymore. They're already here. Welcome to Did You Know? Brought to you by FactBite Daily. Let's dive into the story of how we got here. The first humanoid robot to capture our imagination was way back in 1927. A rebellious robot in a silent film. Fast forward to the 1950s, and real clunky prototypes were taking their first stiff steps in laboratories. But the real game changer was in the year 2000, when Honda unveiled a robot that could actually walk and assist people. Then, in 2014, Boston Dynamics dropped jaws everywhere, with videos of their robots doing flips and dancing, becoming an instant viral sensation. And most recently, the pandemic actually accelerated the development of their AI brains, allowing them to learn more like a human than ever before. So what exactly can these humanoids do? Well, they're designed to mimic us, with 2 arms, 2 legs, and some even have expressive faces to make chatting with them feel more natural. They can balance on 2 feet, climb stairs, and handle delicate objects like picking up a fragile egg without cracking it. How do they stay powered? Their batteries can last a full 8-hour shift and can be swapped out in seconds, just like a smartphone. The cost is also dropping dramatically, from millions of dollars for a lab prototype to as low as $20,000 per unit now. And believe it or not, China is leading the charge with over 5,000 patents and more than 610 investments in this field this year alone. Looking ahead to 2025, thousands of these robots will be rolling off assembly lines and into warehouses and auto plants. You'll see them sorting packages, helping build cars, and maybe even running marathons against humans. By 2030, expect to see millions of them in our homes, acting as caregivers for our aging parents. And by 2050, projections show there could be 1 billion humanoid robots worldwide, meaning more robots working than people. The craziest part is the AI twist. They learn from demonstrations, not just code, kind of like how a child learns by watching their parents. Of course, there are still some big hurdles to overcome. Their hands aren't quite precise enough for tasks like surgery yet, and their batteries can drain quickly when they're doing heavy lifting. There's also the question of jobs. The goal isn't to replace everyone, but for robots to team up with us. Humans will train them, and the robots will handle the repetitive tasks. And naturally, safety is the top priority, with new rules being developed to prevent falls and collisions in spaces shared with people. So, what excites you more about the future? The thought of dancing bots, or a world with 1 billion humanoid helpers? Drop a robot emoji or a shocked face emoji in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. On our next episode, we'll explain the amazing world of robot surgeons.